Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review some of the latest and greatest crypto hardware. Today I have a very special product to show you, the Cypherock X1, the world's first hardware wallet without the need for a seed price backup. This is a game changer for crypto security and inheritance, and I'm super excited to unbox it and show you how it works. By the way, I have a great deal for you. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to the Cypherock shop where you can get 10% off your purchase of the Cypherock X1. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this opportunity to get your hands on this amazing device. As you can see, the Cypherock X1 comes in a sleek block box with the logo and the name of the product on the front. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing we see is a hard case that protects the device and the accessories. It has a zipper and a handle, so you can easily carry it around. Inside the hard case, we have 4 main components: the X1 Vault, the X1 cards, the USB cable, and the user manual. Let me show you each of them in detail. Here's the accessories. The USB cable is used to connect the X1 Vault to your computer or your phone. It has a USB-C connector on one end and a USB-A connector on the other end. You can also use an adapter to connect it to other devices that have different ports. The USB cable is also used to charge the X1 Volt, which has a battery life of up to 10 hours. The manual is a booklet that contains all the information you need to set up and use the Cypherock X1. It has step-by-step instructions, illustrations, and the QR codes that you can scan to access the online resources. It also has a support section that gives you the contact details of the Cypherock team in case you have any questions or issues with the product. The X1 Bolt is the main device that you can use to manage your crypto assets. It has a 2.8-inch OLED display and a joystick that you can use to navigate the menus and confirm the transactions. It also has a USB port that you can use to connect it to your computer or your phone. The X1 Volt is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, so you can use it in any device you prefer. The X1 Volt supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Polkadot, and many more. You can also use it to store your NFTs, DeFi tokens, and other digital assets. The X1 card are the key to the security and the innovation of the Cypherock X1 system. They are NFC-based smart cards that feature EAL6 plus secure elements, which means they are tamper-proof and resistant to physical attacks. The X1 cards store your private keys in a decentralized way using a cryptographic technique called Shamir secret sharing. This means your private keys are split into 4 parts and stored in 4 different cards. You need just the X1 Vault and any one of the cards to authorize a transaction. This way, even if you lose any 3 of the cards or the vault, your assets are still safe. You can also share the cards with your trusted friends or family members so they can help you recover your funds in case of emergency or disaster. This also solves the problem of inheritance, as you can designate your beneficiaries and pass on your crypto legacy without relying on third parties or legal experts. To buy Cypherock X1, visit their website. For a limited time, you can get Cypherock X1 for only $159. That's a huge saving from its original price of $199. Click on Add to Cart. To get extra discount, use my coupon code WONDERREVIEW at checkout. You'll get an additional 10% off. That means you'll pay only $131.97 for this amazing device. Here are some of the frequently asked questions for Cypherock X1. Can I interact with NFTs and DeFi on Cypherock X1? Yes, you can interact with NFTs and DeFi through Wallet Connect. Can I still see my seed price of the wallet if I want to? Cypherock X1 allows users to be able to view the seed price of any of the wallets that are currently being secured. Therefore, having the X1 Vault and any one of the X1 cards in possession, a user can view the seed price and transfer assets to another crypto wallet of their choosing, which is BIP39 compatible. To view the seed praise, you don't even need to connect it to the SciSync desktop app. You can view the seed praise by connecting the device to a power bank as well. What happens if Cypherock goes out of business? There are a few cases and features that take care of our user even if the companies go bust. Cypherock X1 is an open source product that lets developers build on top. So even if they go bust, the software survives for eternity. In case Cypherock goes out of business, the user also breaks the X1 Vault. They will soon be releasing an open source Android and iOS app that will allow the user to tap their X1 cards directly on an NFC-enabled smartphone to recover the seed praise by entering the PIN and using any two X1 cards. Fourth question, can I import my own seed praise into Cypherock X1? Yes, you can import your own seed praise into Cypherock X1. The product supports 12, 18, 24 words for your seed praises. Is Cypherock X1 open source? Yes, Cypherock X1 is open source. To view the GitHub repository, please visit the link github.com/Cypherock. What happens if I break or lose my X1 Vault? If your X1 Vault is broken or lost, your funds are still safe as long as you have the 2 of the 4 X1 card. Although you will need to buy a new X1 Vault. You will be needing any 2 of the 4 X1 cards in order to store your recover old lost X1 Vault into the new X1 Vault. What happens if I break or lose my X1 card? If your X1 card is broken or lost, your funds are still safe as long as you have at least the X1 Vault plus 1 X1 card or 2 X1 cards. It is highly recommended to buy a new set of X1 cards and replace them with the existing cards since you will not be able to add new wallets to Cypherock X1 if you don't have all the 4 cards. In case you lose or break 2 or 3 X1 cards, it is recommended to use 1 X1 card with your X1 Vault to view your seed praise and recover it for safety purposes. You can buy a new Cypherock X1 and restore your wallet accounts on it. Can I buy an extra set of X1 cards separately? Yes, you can buy an extra set of X1 cards. Your old X1 Vault can be synced with this new X1 cards as well. Can I buy an extra X1 Vault separately? Yes, you can buy an extra X1 Vault. Your old X1 cards can be synced with the new X1 Vault as well. Lastly, where is Cypherock X1 manufactured? Cypherock X1 is manufactured in India. I will create a separate video on how to use Cypherock X1 wallet. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto hardware reviews. And don't forget to check the video description for the link to the Cypherock shop where you can get 10% off your purchase of the Cypherock X1. This is a limited time offer, so hurry up and get yours today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.